My name is Kat and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to get to the grotto in the Santa Monica Mountains. The hike is 3 miles round trip, 653 feet in elevation gain, and it takes about 2 hours to complete. And for this hike, you don't need a parking pass, but be sure to stay until the end for tips and frequently asked questions. This is the main parking lot, and this is the Circle X Ranger Station, and there is a bathroom on the side of the building, and the trail's going to be to the left of the parking entrance. There is additional parking as you're making your way down to the campgrounds, but just make sure your car will be able to make it back up. And the hike to the grotto is all downhill, so make sure you save some water and energy for the way back. At the end of the campground's parking, you'll find the grotto trailhead, and the trail to the grotto is pretty easy to follow. However, the last part can be challenging, but I'll take you through that in just a little bit. Some parts of the trail are in the shade and there are a few stream crossings. This stream right here actually feeds into one of the waterfalls, so you'll be crossing above it without even realizing it. There are a few switchbacks as you're making your way down the canyon. If you go after the rain, you'll see several waterfalls along the way. On the way back, I did fly my drone over this one, so be sure to watch till the end to see some of that footage. About 40 minutes or 1.4 miles into your hike, you'll come to a shaded area. The trail's going to continue downstream where you'll cross the river again. A little bit after that, you're going to come to a part of the trail where all you'll see are boulders. The trail's going to continue on the right, and it is going to include some rock scrambling to get down to the grotto, so know your limits and continue at your own risk. Once you make it back down to the river, the grotto's gonna be to your left. And now for tips and frequently asked questions. I recommend you take shoes with good grip, especially for the last part. There is no service, but one thing that helped me track my hike and location is that I never turned off my location on the drive there. The best time to visit is after the rain, but not immediately after to where the last part is more of a challenge and the trails are muddy. Additionally, don't go if there's rain on the forecast, as you might experience flash floods. And if you're up for another hike, also in the Santa Monica Mountains, check out Suma Canyon Falls. Or check out the Topanga Lookout, and let me know in the comment section if you've been to either one of these. And if there's anything I missed, be sure to write in the comment section for others to see. And now some drone footage of the waterfalls. There were several of them along the hike. They're impossible to get to, but they're still pretty nice to admire. And we have had a lot of rain this past couple of weeks, so if you were to visit during the off season, they might just be a trickle. And that is all I have for you today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. But more importantly, if you want to see more of this type of content, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at HikerOnATrail.